Hi guys, it's Kevin, and it's finally the time for the discussion about the topic of the years, the last few years of the moment, which is artificial intelligence. And this is gonna be centered about my business model, which is publishing books on Amazon KDP mainly. And I will give you all my unfiltered opinion, what I think is gonna happen. Is it gonna replace all of us? How we can take advantage of this revolution and how we shouldn't do. Okay, all everything is in my opinion. I cannot see the future. I'm not the oracle. I don't know anything, but I have years and years of experience in the field, and I can kind of cross the pattern of what I believe is happening right now and what is going to happen in the future. So stick until the end, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like if you think it's gonna be interesting, and if you like these raw talks, join my Skool community, it's free, etc. etc. Link in the bio. If you want to be a self-publisher and learn how I made multiple six figures in the last 5 years. And now let's get started with the first point of this discussion, which is, are we gonna be replaced by AI, like as book publishers? Okay. The answer is yes. At some point, we're gonna be replaced by AI. This is gonna happen for every single job, guys. Like, so it's not even an opinion. At some point, AI will be able to perform every single task humans perform. And I'm not talking just about book publishers. I'm talking about writers. I'm talking about architects. I'm talking about chef. I'm talking about cashiers, bakeries, whatever, cleaners. Like every single job will be replaced by AI at some point, or the existing jobs at least will be replaced by AI. So it's not a matter of if, but it's a matter of when. And I think we still have a long time, especially with this business model we are doing, because it's the main task you need will be your creativity and your critical thinking, and AI at the moment is not good at all at that. So let's get to the second point. Is AI a deal breaker? Like, can AI revolutionize your publishing business, or has he already done it? For myself, personally, no, it didn't. It made a lot of processes easier, like all the mechanical processes. They are now way more fast and less time consuming. I can actually save a lot of money with hiring people for mechanical tasks that are now made by AI. I'm not using it for any creative job. I'm not using it to actually generate. Yes, I did use it, but I'm not using it as a main source for generate content for my publications. It's just an assistant. I treat it like an assistant. What an assistant will do now is done by AI. And the reason is that it's not good. Like currently, it's not just good enough. The level is not there. And also, AI will not care about you and your business. Like what they care is the business they are owned by. Don't forget that AI are private businesses. So their goal is to make money to the business that own the technology, the chatbot, the generator, whatever we are talking about. And they will have to follow their own guidelines that allow them to profit. Because don't forget that companies have investors, and let's say that investor will invest in something only if they see it working in the future, and also like compliant with what their ideologies are, let's say. So I mean, I don't want to start any talk about agendas and stuff, but that I don't think is central in this video. But AI follow very strict guidelines. They have very strict limitation on some topics, and they will tell you what they want to tell you, basically. Like AI, the result of your query, the result is gonna be what the private company want you to know and what they want you to propagate, the message they want to propagate. So again, I don't think this is the optimal money making thing. Like your goal is just to make money, sell as much copies as possible, make your customer as happy as possible, and it's not to use AI for no reason. Like I don't think there is any advantage in having as a goal using AI as much as possible currently. Again, it's super important. It can be very helpful, and I take advantage of it myself. But I don't think you cannot succeed without AI with the current state of the market. Okay? Now, next point I want to talk about is differentiation. If you see a new tool, AI, a new YouTube tutorial that explain how to, I'm using it for my current business, but it can be anything. So if you're a copywriter and you see the new copywriting tool explained on YouTube with hundreds of thousands of views, that means that every single person that was interested in this has seen this content. Those people are your competitor. Like, yes, we are in competition. You have to compete with other people. Everybody wants success. Everybody wants to make money online and stuff and travel the world. You are not the only one. And everybody wants to do this in the easiest possible. Like, most people are completely lazy. So this video will tell you how to make money without effort and without investing money are the one that gets more views. Okay, so ironically, if you don't use this trend thing that will make everything easier, you have an edge over everyone else. Because the AI will give to everyone the same result, roughly, like they have their like standard thing to say. Every single AI tool will tell the same result about any research, pretty much. So the one that have a creative mind and use their own brain to have ideas and create stuff, and are not afraid to do so, are the one that will be different from all the crowd. That they will stand out and will have the different thing. And yeah, this is the main edge you can have. AI is not creative yet. Have you tried to ask to, for example, ChatGPT a query that involves creativity or having to think, having to get you new ideas? Okay, if you did, you know that the results are not good at all. So human effort is now what is separating you from the crowd. Everybody's using the same stuff. Everybody's watching AI stuff, especially with the publishing thing, guys, because imagine a business model. Imagine that, what is going on with the sound? Okay, I will just ignore it. The reason most of you got in this business is because, like, imagine you hear the fact that there is a platform that allows you to upload some AI generated PDF on it for free, click publish for free, and make money for free. Like, every single person will be attracted by this, and this may be the reason you are attracted by this business model, because you see this as a I don't do anything, or I work very little amount of time. I just click upload, I spend zero money, and I will make money online and start traveling, living the dream. And I'm sorry to break it down for you, but it's not gonna happen. And probably you already found out if you're watching this video, but it's not gonna happen. That's not how it works. You have to work, you have to take risks, and then maybe you're gonna make it. Nothing is guaranteed as well. It's not a normal job. So guys, final warning for this video: don't expect AI is gonna bring you to success. Don't expect like this KDP platform is gonna bring you to success. What is gonna do it is you understanding that you are creating a business and that you have responsibilities to make it as good as possible, and don't outsource the responsibility, like, which is like crazy. Like, don't outsource everything to a computer that has no interest in making you successful, but the only interest it has is make the company that owns it successful. And this is not the way to wealth. At some point, AI is going to replace all of us, and this is true. You should learn how to use it and integrate it successfully inside your business, but you shouldn't base your whole existence, your whole productivity, your whole ideas, your whole personality on some AI thing. Okay, guys, for this video I said everything I wanted to say, and now I have the sun in my eyes. So I have to stop it here. Join my free Skool community, subscribe to the channel, leave a like to this, comment this video if you like this new format of raw, unedited, unfiltered, whatever video. And cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.